Over 500 leaders of various political parties joined the State Congress today at the office of the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee. The new members from NPP, VPP and UDP were welcomed by MLA Ronnie V. Lingdo, Vice President and MDC PNSAIM and Working President Deborah Marak. Ronnie V. Lingdo expressed hope that the returned members share a clear vision and ideology to strengthen the party. PNSAIM emphasized the importance of the Congress playing a critical role in forming a dynamic team of young and experienced leaders to drive Meghalaya's development.
Because they have stated that it's only the Congress party that can really take care of all sections of society from different walks of life, irrespective of caste, creed, sex or gender. And realizing that they've been associated with those parties, but they've come to realize that it's only the Congress party that can really work for the interests of each and every one, irrespective of caste, creed or gender.
Chief Secretary Donald P. Walang